Away, come by engine, my friends. So, this is a figure of my friends like we see in the space on Chita way to Blak Gold. It's happening today. Young boy Shilo. Okay, you can check. My niggas are out here. Ask guy. Come on, that's your point. Oh. Yes, man. Let's talk to him. Let's talk to him.
Yeah, man. Pilana mfethu. What's happening today? Kwenzakalani mfethu? Awusitshele. We are shooting a music video today. Blak Gold family. We are shooting a music video at Haska Visuals. We out here at Bubesini. Look at the place. It's kind of lit. Just look at the view on this place. Everything is kind of lit. So yeah, everything is lit. Look at the bike. Everything. You know, everything is just lit. So peace. See y'all on the flip side.
Hey guys, this is a figure and it's fucking beautiful. As you can see, like right here, we got some. What is it called? I don't know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. We got some nice things right here. Booze. Yeah.
As we promised. Free booze, y'all.
Yeah. Stay tuned. Yeah.
Yo, we king lapho. Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up, everybody? This is Mama's Rain.
Sleep.